Welcome to the tutorial section of GoZen Forms. Creating an online form for your business that is tailored to your specific needs is not always easy. Sometimes you need to spend more time creating a form from scratch, which is a time-consuming process. So we have come up with GoZen Forms. How about we say you only need to select the form that you require and modify the questions? Isn't that simple? And this eliminates the majority of your form building process and results in a better form builder solution. Introducing GoZen Forms, a smart solution for creating a simple online forms for any business. Let us now take a look at how to create your first form. When you log into your account, you will be sent to your default workspace. Workspaces are where you can see your forms and organize and share them with other team members. You can arrange the forms you've built on the right-hand side depending on their titles. And you can also switch between grid and list views. If you select the list view, you can quickly see your form insides. There are two ways to create your first GoZen form. One, you can start from scratch, or you can choose from pre-designed online form templates that are tailored to your industry. Simply select the form that you require and modify the content as necessary. In the next window, you're taken to the form builder. You can start customizing your forms from here. You can choose the question type by clicking on the question type from the side panel. On the settings menu, you can change the layout type. There are two layout options for displaying the forms: single pages and slides. On single pages, all questions will be displayed on a single page, whereas on slides, all of the questions will be displayed on the slide one by one. On the settings menu, you can schedule when the forms can be accessed and when they will expire. Below that, you have the limit response. You can mention the number of responses to be limited to. If you allow multiple submissions, you can enable the same user to submit the form several times. Customize form designs matching your brand. In the theme library, there are hundreds of pre-made themes, or you can create your own theme using your brand colors. Editing the font or adding background images is very simple. Once you're happy with the designs, save it as your new theme and use it for future brand surveys and questionnaires. After you're done with the form, the conditional logic allows you to ask the relevant follow-up questions while ignoring the rest of the questions. Using logic charms, surveys feel more like discussions than interrogations. After you're done modifying your forms, you can share it effortlessly by simply embedding the form on the website or just clicking and posting the link. Sharing forms has never been this much easier. View how your form is performing all in one place. To view the insights of each form after the user has been published, click on the results menu. Here, you can see the count of the people who has started the form, submitted the form, the average completion rate, and the average time to complete and responses of each form. And finally, you can connect with your favorite apps to send new leads, customers, and service data directly to your preferred applications. In this video, we have seen how to get started with your first form.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.